Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina. Today I'm going to do an unboxing review for this Balvin Air Jordan 1 sneakers. So this is the designs on the box here. Yeah, it printed with colorful Nike logos on this box here. Okay. Open it, you can see this is the tissue paper. It's printed with different colorful patterns on this one. It cannot be in one solid color. This is the correct tissue paper here. Okay, let's open it to check. So this is the shoes here. Let's check the details side by side here. Okay, so this is the lateral side of these shoes here. It's printed with different colors on the upper, right? Yeah, you can see different colors from the toe box to this top view here. See, yeah, the designs. And this is a back counter here, this part here embossed with Air Jordan logos. See, yeah, the upper is made with the canvas materials. Yeah, it's not the leather, but you can see the canvas materials on the whole upper and printed with the different colors here, right? And you got a patch here, see, Jumpman embossed on it. See, this is the patch. Okay. So this is the back counter, the designs here. This is the media side. Check the designs on the toe box here. And this is the actual patches. See, right? These are actual patches. The design for these shoes, that is the bottom, that is in a little bit pink colors for this midsole, right? See, yeah, and the stitchings here, it is pink colors, which is matched to the bottom here, right? See, okay, check the outsole template. Yeah, it is in pink color as well. The thumb design. The inside of the patches here. And the sock liner is printed with the patterns here, right? Okay, let's check another side. See, here got 3 extra laces here. See, pink one, this, the yellow one, and the white one. Yeah, 3 extra laces. And this is the lateral side for the left shoes here. Yeah, the designs and the patches. The patches is adjustable here. This is by counter. Check. Okay, so these are the total review for this Air Jordan 1 Balvin sneakers. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. Okay, see you next video. Bye.